Hi guys, welcome back to my sister's YouTube channel, and in today's video she'll be teaching you how to lay your edges.
So for this baby hair, you'll be needing your got2b ultra glue gel, the black one, and then your edge control brush. So guys, I'll be putting the gel on my palm, at the back of my palm actually, because it's easier for me to swoop the baby hair, take gel from my hand and swoop the baby hair at once. I'm going to be taking the gel with my brush, then I'll brush out the hair gently before I swoop it to the side. So the first step is that you brush out the hair before you swoop to the side, and then you use your hand to hold it down. The hand helps in keeping the baby hair in place while you're swooping to the side. So guys, we're going to be repeating the whole process throughout the whole baby hair. So you brush it out first, then you swoop to the side, repeat it for the first, second, third on this side and the first, second, third on the other side. Now we've come to the end of this video. I hope after watching it, you'll be able to do baby hair for yourself and for others. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so whenever I post a video, you'll be notified. Let me know what you think about this video in my comment section below. Bye, and see you in my next video.